Hello everyone, and welcome to Real English Talk.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Tom. Today's topic is all about buying a new phone.
Yes, we'll talk about shopping for a phone, asking questions in English, and useful words for daily life.
We'll also practice a long conversation and explain new words.
So, if you love technology or you just need a new phone, stay with us for the next 90 minutes.
Okay, Lisa, let's imagine we're in a phone store.
Alright, I'm the customer, and you're the salesperson.
Perfect. Let's begin.
Hi, excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for a new phone.
Sure. Do you have any brand in mind?
Not really. I just want something good and not too expensive.
I understand. What features are important for you?
A good camera and long battery life.
Okay, we have some great options. Would you like Android or iPhone?
I think Android. How much is it?
It's $699.
That's a bit expensive. Do you have any discounts?
Yes, we have 10% off this week.
Perfect. Can I try the phone?
Of course. Here you go.
Wow, the screen is so bright.
Yes, and the camera is amazing too.
Can I take a photo?
Sure.
Now I need to decide which phone to buy. I like the black color.
It's a popular choice.
I think I'll take it.
Great. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
By card, please.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too.